That's what I need. Okay. It is very, very important that we don't show the girlfriend. So now I am giving the camera. Mom, don't tell them to the girlfriend. Can you see me and can you hear me, chat? Can I welcome you to Cooking with Tommy?
TommyKay, you such a big loser. TommyKay, the forever scrub. He can go suck it. Oh no, nobody wants because he's a wannabe alpha male. TommyKay.
Anyway, boys and girls, I want to welcome you.
OMG.
I'm talking. I want to welcome you to the first IRL stream and cooking stream of TommyKay show. Today, we're making something very special, something never seen before, which is called alpha cookies. These are the best. Why are you looking like this?
They're called Christmas cookies.
They're alpha cookies. She doesn't understand. In the ghetto, we are not used to do cookies, but the girlfriend has told me, teach me how to make real cookies. And that is what we're gonna do today. So, first of all, we start with 125 grams of butter. This is butter. You've never seen this because your mom always does it for you.
Yeah.
125. So, we're gonna start with Stop laughing. We're gonna start with 125 grams of butter. What?
Going bald. Oh no!
Now here comes the first crazy gimmick, something I never understood. I'm not even kidding. You know, a regular man like me will just use regular sugar, you know, like the white stuff. But the girlfriend, she's like, no, you don't need to name. If you use this one, it's much better. This is how do you say this in English?
It's powder sugar. I think it's the same.
How am I out of breath already? This is powder sugar, which means it's powdered.
At girlfriend, what do you see in Tommy? Well, you have to understand that the character on stream is
Don't say it's fake!
No, it's not fake, but it's a extreme version of yourself. So when we're together, he's not that autistic, just a little bit.
Am I a fake character?
No,
On
no,
stream?
you are not. No.
Okay, boys and girls, I'm taking the cam. The girlfriend will do
I hope I don't mess up. Can I put
the egg. This is how it looks like if you. Man, this internet is amazing. So she has to get the yellow of the egg.
the yolk? The egg yolk. Tommy Beta Girlfriend Alpha. Yes.
Tommy Beta Girlfriend Alpha?
Alpha, yeah. Equals.
What?
Yeah.
What the? Anyway, so you cut open the vanilla shota like this. You see this? And then you spread it. Look at this. Just like your dad spreads your sister.
Stop it. Get some help.
And then you do this. Look at this. That's how you get the good stuff. Bam, look at this. Boom, that's how you get the good. You see that? And then you put it in here.
Hey Tommy, 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 hey Tommy.
Hey Tommy, hey Tommy, hey Tommy, hey.
Anyway, boys, this is about me.
Hey Tommy, hey Tommy, hey Tommy, hey Tommy, hey Tommy, hey.
Anyway, the most important thing about this cookie dough is you take a citron and you take this thing. It's called a schnippler, and then you do this. This makes the cookie. I'm not even kidding. This is what makes the cookie dough very special. You take the schnippler and then you... But it's very important, not the white stuff, only the yellow stuff.
Okay, so you need the lemon zest, and we're also gonna add some orange zest. Has Tommy ever gone to the gym? Well, the thing is, he used to be very athletic when we met. But since then, it kind of went downhill from there, so... Yeah, what can I say? But I think tomorrow we're gonna go swimming.
Musik?
Musik? I don't know.
Anyway, here...
Somebody...
200?
Hey. Why do you donate $200? Are you insane? I can't say thank you because it's insane.
Tell them what you think. Tell them what
Who
you think.
does that? Honestly, it's just
tell
just
them
a cooking
what you think about big donators.
I don't really understand it. I mean, okay, I spend money on Netflix and Spotify.
Makeup.
Maybe that's... Oh, yeah. Maybe that's kind of the equivalent. I don't know, but I really don't understand it. But I accept it.
Anyway.
So, yeah.
Thank you for $200. You're stupid. You're dumb. Don't do this. Girlfriend, you want to go to a restaurant tonight?
Is it true that Tommy has a yogurt addiction? Yes. That's 100% true. And it's not good for him.
Hey! When that stream is offline, you know what's gonna happen. Anyway, I always forgot this back in the day. What is important is the back pulver. It's the
It's bicarbonate of soda.
Soda, baking soda.
So it's a raising agent.
Now that we reach this point, so the last thing for the cookie dough
Oh Jesus!
is 250 grams of.
We are #1 in food and drink category.
Shut up.
No, somebody
views?
says that.
So now the last part of the cookie dough is 250 grams of flour. Make a close up. I was like burning.
Girlfriend, can you please touch his nose with one finger? Why should I do that?
It's his fetish. Maybe he's donating $5 for that.
Boop.
So now we got everything together, and now comes the good. Soll ich schon? Ja, eigentlich schon, ne? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is where the ASMR stream starts. Don't go away. You ready? Look at this, chat. Everybody get your out for this part. This is amazing. Look at this.
I always thought Tommy's girlfriend was fake. No, I'm not. These are
Maybe I
my
just
feet.
spot a girl. Anyway, to all people that care about the cookie dough, so what we did is we put together the ingredients. So once again, for everybody that actually cares, it's 125 grams of butter, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 1 yellow thing of the egg, a little salt, just ask Marconi for that, the vanilla, the citron, the orange, 2 grams of the powder that makes it the baking good, and 250 grams of flour. Then you put it all together, and then you have to put it in the fridge for 1 hour.
Oh, bald spot. No, it's... Wait. The hair around here is just lighter than the rest of the hair. There's no bald spot. Don't say that.
Stop showing weakness. Anyway, welcome back to... We need Christmas music. Anyway, we have the cookie dough right here. It has to be like a nice muscular butt, man. Like, you see that? That's how it has to be. And now you make room for the cookie dough. So we're gonna open it. Okay, and now you take the flour.
Yeah.
And you make the cookie dough. Okay, and now
Press the rolling pin.
it is. I'm actually good at this.
You are very good at this. Your cooking is like your deck space, whatever that means.
This is nothing. Don't worry about that.
Deck space.
This is where the magic happens, boys. This is where the magic happens. It's so beautiful. Look at the texture, the citron, the orange, the vanilla. Don't forget Remy. Remy has to be on here too. Okay.
Okay, now you can put it in.
Okay. Okay.
Now? Okay. Vinegar.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, big mistake, big mistake. He's such a rookie in the kitchen. Can you put the recipe in the description? Can we do that?
That's so cute. If Marconi makes a video out of this, we're gonna put the recipe in the description there. Maybe too long, but they smell amazing.
Yeah, they're big too dark.
So next one, not as much. Thank you, Buddha.
Thank you.
Why am I sweating?
Now he stepped on the freaking cookies again. What is wrong with you? Like literally. Oh. Now look, he broke the gingerbread man.
Oh.
This is so sad.
Hey, maybe.
Yeah, take them out.
Okay. They look perfect. They're very thick. So, listen to the girlfriend. We're gonna make white chocolate seasoning. How many?
Seasoning?
I mean, but.
Oh no.
Mom's home, and I didn't think she would come home. So, that's weird. I don't know. I think we have to turn the stream off. Okay. There's a red alert. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to stop, boys and girls. Today is the day that shows that women rule my life, and that is actually what happens in life. Thanks for watching. Thank you for everything. They're done? Yeah. And have a good weekend. I'm back on Sunday. We're gonna show pictures of the cookies on Twitter. Thank you. Please follow on Twitter. Bye. Love you guys.
She slipped through my fingers like sand. Heard that she had a